Woohoo! Being a content creator is not what you guys think. It's not a my. Can you guys believe this? I always film whenever I have chance. I film a lot of videos, but the good news is that I film this makeup. I just finished rounding off with my last video, and I'm trying to unset things and take away my makeup off. Yeah. But I really like the makeup though. It's very soft. It's very nice. I like it. I like it so much. I like it. So how you guys doing? What is up? I hope you guys are engaging on my video. Please make sure you do all the time, because onye na-agba mbọ nwere ụgwọ ọrụ. How do I translate this, Obiko? I think they say a hustler gets a reward, or what? I don't understand. So that's basically what I mean, if you understand me. So I just wanna unset things, and I'll talk to you guys maybe later or maybe some other time. Okay? Please don't be too angry. I'm rocking my hair. Okay. I want to take off my makeup. Okay. So a lot happened today, and I'm so excited. It wasn't easy. Hopefully that this time around the voice is good. Hopefully that the quality is good. Okay. Because sometimes it's very, very difficult. I've counted so many times that I filmed a video, and at the end, when I'm editing it, I'll be seeing nonsense. Like the quality will be bad due to camera settings. So you guys know when I'm using that Boya microphone, the MM1, something like that. So I hope that this time around, because this is my very first time to use this Boya super cardioid shotgun camera microphone. Okay, so this is my very first time to use it ever since, because it came on the 23rd and I unboxed it on the same day, and I ended up posting it. That was yesterday. I posted it yesterday. So for me to film normal content, this is my very first time to use it to film, but I just pray and wish that this time around it is okay. So because I don't want any drama, I actually spend, I think, about 2 hours, 2 or 3 or 4, no, that should be 4 hours. I spent 4 hours doing 4 videos, because each video is 1 hour. So a lot of videos that you guys see when we post it, not that minutes that you see there is what it is when we film it. So sometimes it's 30 minutes, sometimes it's 45 minutes, sometimes it's 50, sometimes it's 1 hour. So we'll cut editing, both the mistakes, a lot of things, and just to make sure that we finalize with the size or the poly, or the, you know, the one that is the cocoa. Oh my god, I'm here to take off my makeup in the bedroom, and I'm here discussing. Oh, wonder shall never end. So just want to take off to go and cook before Okoma and Abata. Honestly, I like the way this makeup came out. Okay, the makeup really came out good. So whenever I'm taking off my makeup, I like to first of all wipe it out with baby wipe. Okay, I wipe it out with baby wipe first. I should wipe it out with cotton wool. Babe, do you know how many cotton wool this will eat? The baby wipe, everything will easily wipe fast. So this is the third baby wipe, the fourth baby wipe I'm using on that. I think I've finished, doing it. It's not that much again. No, it's not. Please, when you are doing this, always be careful with your eyes. Don't go and blind yourself with this baby wipe. So now I'm gonna clean the rest of the face. I'm going to clean the rest of the face. You guys think I don't know how to dance? I know how to dance, so I know how to dance. Please don't just buy me, okay? Because I'll not sell. I know how to dance. I'm a queen. I'm a dancer queen. Okay? I'm dancing like a baby. I think maybe next time that, because now I have this tripod here. Next time that I'll do my hair, I will record it. Yeah, I'll record it now that I have this small tripod, because sometimes when you want to put a little position on how to get the angles that you want, you will not see it because you don't have what it takes to get there. So now that I have this small tripod, the thing I'm going to do is to make sure that I focus it in this angle, because I like to show little portion. I don't like to circulate it, so that because when people see things in the background, to make them to focus on the background and not to focus on you. But when they see you, they don't see too many things in the background. They will focus on you. I just finished washing my face with water and soap, okay? So I'm not done cleaning this face. I'm not done cleaning it. So I just want to go ahead with my cotton wool and my water, because if you look under my eyes, you will see the black eyeliner. This shouldn't be here. So I don't know, I started breaking out last week. You know, when my period will come, I always break out. So there's never been a day that it will come that it will not cause me breakout, okay? So I'm done cleaning my face, okay? So this is the final look, okay, for my face, and that's basically it. I'm looking so snatched. I just look like somebody who didn't even put anything before in this face.